Hello friends, this is Akash Meena and today we are going to start chapter 12th NCERT class 10th and topic of discussion is electricity. So everyone knows about electricity, which is an important source of energy, but very few of us know how does electricity constitute of. Okay, we have seen electrical appliances like fan, TV, refrigerator, all this, but we do not know how electricity forms or where does it comes from. So what electricity basically is? Electricity is flow of charges. Okay, so what electricity is? It is the flow of charges. Now we must know what charges is. Charges is nothing but basically it is a property of matter. It forces the particle whenever it is kept in electric field. So in easy language we can say that charge is amount of energy or electrons that flow from one body to another. Okay, so we can say that it is a source of energy which is uh, which is transferring from one body to another body. Okay, to make a bulb glow, we have to supply them electric current. So here you see that bulb is not glowing. So what is the reason behind it? Because we are not supplying them electric current. So why we are not supplying them electric current? Because there is no source which provide it electric current. है ना? So to make charges flows from one body to another through a closed path which is made closed path is made which is known as electric current. So here you are saying you have seen that this is a closed path है ना, which is used for flowing current. Okay, I have already told you we require two bodies. So this battery is first body and this is second body. So what we have to do, we have to flow charges from one body to another body. Okay, so what's special about this device? This device is called battery. Okay, it has two charges, positive and negative charges. Okay, so first we should understand what is electric circuit and what it basically consists of. Okay, so we can say that electricity is a path where through electrons flows from one body to another and which helps the bulb to glow. Okay, now what is battery? Okay, so battery is a source of energy. It has टू टर्मिनल्स कैथोड एंड एनोड, है ना. तो ये वो सोर्स है जहाँ से इलेक्ट्रॉन्स जनरेट होते हैं और हमको हेल्प करता है ये बल्ब को ग्लो करने में. ओके, एंड द अनदर थिंग विच यू सी इज स्विच. ओके, सो इट हेल्प्स अस. फर्स्ट वी रीड डेफिनेशन. इट इज अ कंडक्टिंग लिंक बिटवीन सेल एंड बल्ब. ओके, तो सेल और बल्ब के बीच में ये एक कंडक्टिंग लिंक है. ओके, वेन एवर यू वॉन्ट टू ग्लो बल्ब यू पुट स्विच ऑन एंड वेन एवर यू नॉट वॉन्ट टू ग्लो बल्ब यू कैन स्विच इट ऑफ. ओके, नाउ what is battery? Okay, you have seen this battery in your home, in clocks and watches. You have seen this battery. Okay, this is the battery which helps clock to run. Okay, that wall clock. So whenever you open the wall clock you can see this battery. Okay, so what is special about this battery? Okay, the speciality is that it has two types of charges. One is positive and negative. Okay, so what is this positive charge consist of? Okay, it is made of a metal called graphite. Okay, and what is that anode made up of? It is made up of zinc metal. So basically the electrons flows from negative terminal and it goes to positive terminal. This is how we can generate electricity. Now we should know how we can measure this. So we have an analogy in class 9th, as you already know, and also you have read in maths, that speed is distance upon time. How much you walk in a particular time gives your speed. Similarly, when we talk about electricity, so current is measured in terms of charges or number of electrons. So how many electrons flow in a particular time gives you current. Okay. uh, in speed we measure distance in meter and time in second. Similarly, in current we measure charges in coulomb and time in second. So we can say that current is measured in coulomb per second, and there is another unit for measuring it called ampere. So basically it is the name of scientist known as Henri Marie Ampere. Okay.